Good afternoon, people. It was Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025, and it's raining. It was 3:50 p.m. on a Wednesday, the 19th of November. It's been raining. It rained a couple of times for today. Earlier at the morning time, but it rained, it stopped, but not long, so a couple of minutes, it stopped like that. But the entire day today been raining, but not all day raining. It will rain, it will stop, and then it will be good for a while, then it will rain again, then it will stop, it will be good for a little while again, and then it will rain like that. It was not concerned, we could just had to a couple of hours today. Rain, it will stop, it will rain, it will stop like that. And before I start recording this video, it started raining, but it didn't rain for long. It rained maybe less than 30 seconds or a minute or so. It stopped now, but the place is overcast. I only seen dark color clouds mostly. But after I'm still had the video going, in case it's had to rain again while I'm recording. If it's not, I can just show you how the place is wet and how it's a busy road, a busy street. I tried doing some videos earlier, but I could not do it because you had music playing, so I could not do the videos. And I really don't like to do, when I'm doing videos, I don't really like to take out the original sound and put like, if I had to put like music in it, I don't know, I like to always do that. I like to do it sometimes, but not always. From all my videos, I try my best to get the original audio in it. Like this is a video with rain and vehicle passing, like I hear a vehicle going through the water and I hear the sounds and I hear the rain drizzling like that. If you hear birds passing by, chirping, dogs barking like that, not natural sounds. You all know if you put your videos with copyright music, you know it get. Because I don't know what music is copyright, I don't know what music is non-copyright. I know how to get the non-copyright music on YouTube and stuff, so you just have, but when vehicles passing on your you don't know what copyrights or not. I don't know what to upload again. First time I do this video, because I don't know when I could do a live stream again, because I explained this already. It'll be hard for me to do a live stream because sometimes I'm not feeling good, or I have a little bit occupied, or have music playing, or sometimes I don't know what to say in the live stream. So the next reason as well I don't like to do live stream if I have nothing to say, to talk about. That is why I don't schedule my live stream, because I don't know when I will be doing it. Then when I'm feeling good, or the place is quiet and I can do it, I try my best to do it. Right? Sometimes it takes me a while, sometimes a couple of months before I do a live stream again. Because the last live stream before this 2 live stream that I did this month, a couple of days ago, a day or 2 again, I did 2 live stream, one in night, one in the day. Before that, it was 2 months and more something I did that before that. And how I end up doing one in the day, because the place was kind of quiet. But most of the time I try my best to do the live stream in the night. That is really, sometimes it's easier, sometimes in the night, but not always. Right, because there's some music in the night playing as well, and neighbors play music in the night, but daylight is a little more things, but obviously the road is busy. And when the place is sunny and nice, there are vehicles passing by, their windows roll down. So they have vehicles, music blasting loud, and neighbors playing music. So not all the neighbors play music in the night, but some neighbors play music in the night. Plus, it have a nightclub, a pub, or a place to lime in the night, to lime and drink the whatnot and stuff, and lime and have a like that. And they'll be playing loud music sometimes, but not every day, like every weekend sometimes, or like if have some public holiday or something like that, but they'll be playing music local. It's not too far away, it's about a quarter of a mile away from me. But it has some neighbors that be playing music nearly every day. Why they're doing it, I don't know. So it'll be hard sometimes to do a live stream and stuff. Sometimes even for me to do a video, if I want to get the original sounds in it. So again, you might not always hear me talking in the video, you might not always hear me talking loud in the video, because I said this plenty of time. Right, I'm not a loud talking person, right? The most talking I do is when I do my live stream. Or like sometimes when I do my video like this too, if I have things to say, I say it. Otherwise, sometimes I don't say nothing much. I mean, some people that keep an eye on the phone, so if they win, that's more heavy, that's more strong. The phone can fall if the place where the phone rests down shake up a little, I could fall as well. It happened to me a few times when it started blow, it shakes and the phone fall down. I like to do it here because it will be hands free. So I don't worry about holding my hand paining, because I said this already plenty times. I don't have a holder for my holder is my hand, right? But when I get a spot like this to rest on the phone and do a video, it'll be good. I just need to try to get a channel so I can rest on my phone and do my live stream, so it can be easier for me. So I don't worry about my hand paining. I might be able to do live stream longer too, maybe. It's not raining heavy, it's a drizzle of rain, but it's raining. So some places it is looking white. Good evening, people. Good afternoon. Sorry. Good afternoon. It's 4:01 p.m. on Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025. And it's raining. So I'm going to come and do a video. But I'm not too long do a video. About a couple of seconds ago. But I decided to start it back. The rain is falling more heavy now. I don't know if I will join that video and this video together. I'm not sure yet. It fall heavy like this for a while, and I just upload this video alone. So welcome to my beautiful Twin Island of Trinidad and Tobago. I am from southwest Trinidad, and it's raining. The part of Trinidad where I am from is southwest Trinidad, and it's raining. Heavy rain now, but it started up easy, but now it's getting more heavier. So I decided to stop the video and start it up to the heavier rain. But I'm going to, if I make up my mind, I might join the two together, or I might just do this one alone. This one is more, this one might be a little better, I'll be very white. Very windy. Lock something so that we can get to it. So I won't load the video. Right. Just 50 cameras. As I said, after this one time, I still have to keep an eye on the camera and the phone too, because when it's night, sometimes if it shakes, it could move. If it's windy, it could blow down. It happened to me a few times. It's very windy and the phone fall down, so I just rest in my spot. Sometimes the rain is beating in. Sometimes the rain is beating in, so keep an eye on that as well. I don't want it to block up much, but I'm trying to get, I want to get the video done, so every day making sure that it's not beating unnecessarily. If it is, I'm going to have to stop the video. But it's been raining all day like this. It will rain, then it will stop, it will rain, it will stop, it will rain and stop like that. But not for long. This shower that started today maybe the longest for today. Because I have a video recorded before this, and I just have to 2 or 3 seconds I just stop and start back. But the one before the rain wasn't falling heavy. This is falling a little heavier now. So I feel I might just do this video alone. We had some rain and all last night, and but not heavy. I also shower up rain last night, but today, since early this morning, it rained a little. Then it stopped. It rained a little like that. A couple of times it rained, but not for long. This is the longest so far for the day. But it's been raining more than. I'm not sure, right? But it wasn't heavy like this. It was more for drizzle. It's now reason a little heavier. Now I decided to stop the video and start the back so I can get this one on the video upload. If I need me, I can join the two videos together. According to some, if I feel like, if not, I just do this one video alone. And so I tried to fall hard and I was saying I just stop and start it back. So, but if you get the video from beginning to nearly end, rainfall that's heavy. Baku going to but look like he stopped for the vehicle to pass him. It looks like he put this stop for the vehicle to pass him. Let's see what will be passing there. Baku, tractors. So then we have rollers passing in the road too. So you see the big trucks, see the Baku, farmer, all kind of things will be passing this road sometimes. So one of my videos had a farmer passing in it. I didn't know that. When I watched my video, I saw a farmer passing. I thought, wow. I know it is a farmer passing like on a regular basis, but I didn't realize I got it on camera. I wasn't watching the camera. I stepped away to do something. Besides I don't have nothing else to upload. What I like to do the rain reviews or stuff because to see how regular it will be raining in the part of where I am from. You know, the nice thing, we don't always get flood. The nice thing with it, we don't always get flood. Sometimes we do, but sometimes we don't, which is good. It has some spots in the sky. It has some places in the sky that I'm looking at. You see clear skies, you see blue skies, white clouds. But for what I can see, most of it is dark colored clouds. But if I wanted to little spot at in one corner have some clear skies. But like say like from my watching, like say 3/4 it is the dark color clouds and quarter is clear skies. But after I look at it, all will look like it go cover from what I can see. That's what my eyes can, or far as what my eyes can see. I'm not looking at the entire sky. Where my eyes can see, that's what I'm seeing. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my beautiful Twin Island, Canada. We are from the Trinidad side, which is from Southwest Trinidad. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, watch, and share. It's your choice. Feel free. Also, thank you for the support. Thank you for all the support. For all who will support me by like watching, commenting, sharing, liking, and subscribing. Thank you for that. I deeply appreciate it. Yeah, so I feel that will be the upload, might be uploading this only video alone, I'm not sure. I wonder how so in the country we can go to our 22 together and make one video. Otherwise I think might be just for this one video alone. But if I upload it just so or put another 2 stickers and stuff in it. The rain is starting to come down a little heavier again. I wonder how long it will rain is for. I don't know if I go for the entire time. Like ended like this to reach like 30 minutes or something and we ended like there. I'm not sure yet, I could go longer too. So I'm really battery power in the phone. My battery I have is about 40 something percent. It's about 40 something percent, so how long I could do the recording for. After I finish, try to edit it and stuff, so that will take a while. Because I will edit and then convert it. It will take a while to convert. Then when I'm going to upload, it will take a while to upload to the length of the video and so the size of the file, and it depends on I think your internet as well. I'm not a loud talking person, right? You might not always hear me load my videos. I'm not ever, also I'm not a talkative person. The most talking I do is in my live stream. Everywhere I'm at, we talk for the longest. Maybe talk for the longest. I talk for a long time. That even time I talk for a long time, I like in my live stream and stuff like that. Because the live stream you have to talk. I like to talk. I like to keep it conversation going. Don't mind sometimes it's just me and me alone in my live stream. But whatever I have to say, I come out to say it. I come out to say it. Nothing will stop me from saying what I have to say. On live stream, no matter if it's me and me alone. Somehow or the other, somebody will replay it and hear what I was saying. So somebody wise has seen that. I don't think I ever explained that one. Never told you about that. So somebody wise has seen in the out there. Some is electrical wires, current wires. Some is like phone line, cable line, like that. It happens in more wires than that. You just need some along with all. But some of those are electricity lines, but I don't think it's in electricity lines. The lines are more seen, I think, is the... No, I think it's in some more electricity lines. The lower one is a cable line for like phone and TV and internet and stuff like that. But it had more than one internet line run here, about 2 or 3 different companies. Sometimes most of my rain videos you will see me doing the same type of thing, like the road or trees like that, but I like to do it like that. This will just be different days, as you can see. Sometimes you might see different vehicles passing, which will be good. Sometimes you see the same vehicle because it's the same vehicle, mostly the same vehicle. Plenty say the same vehicle will be using it, so but there are plenty new vehicles will be using it as well. It's a busy road, it's a main road. From point A to point B, it's a main road. Lots of people will use it. It have a road with, on the Mosquito Creek. Sometimes when the water from the ocean beating over on the road, people can't be able to pass it. There's use here to pass the ease up from that pile up and not going through that salt water. And that happen, it'll get more busy again here.